What is up, YouTube? So I am back and I'm trying to post more of my car stuff that I'm doing. I do a lot of car stuff. I should be filming it all. I'm not very good at posting or filming or putting it together. So this is me starting a new resolution to post all the car shit that I'm doing. But I'm over at my buddy Carson's. We're going to work on his drift car to get it ready for Street League this weekend. It's a Saturday and Sunday event, which I'll be filming that too. So let's get this car stuff going. And yeah, I'll show you what we're doing. He just had a new windshield put in, so these stickers are still on from that, which is pretty cool. I think we're gonna put the seat in and the glove box in. Oh, it looks like the seat's actually passenger seat's in. I'm gonna touch up some paint on that, make it look less bad. So we taped his glove box, leather back on because it was in the middle of being glued.
That'll do, donkey. That'll do.
Got some fancy new tires. Pretty sweet. You should put it like right here. Yeah. Look at this poor car. No door card. No glove box. And now I got a nice chair.
Popping these vents out.
That's pretty cool. What's your shirt say, dude? Hold on, let me see that, dude. Who's on the back of your shirt?
Josh Esty shirt, bro.
Oh, fancy you, dude. Why are you taking those out?
So it's easier to bolt this shit in.
All right, cool. That looks fancy. Real fancy.
Oh, this is
No cussing on the fucking channel.
big ass bullshit.
Bruh.
Dang, dude. Wire spaghetti.
Ain't that nice?
Very nice, dude. Take 3. Can't put that in first. That's got to go in first, and then that has to go in second.
Oh, that just cooked that other clip.
Oh, she gone. Give it a little persuasion.
Oh, shit.
Told you he'd lose one. Told you. Something is not right. Ta-da!
There we go.
Sweet. And it's in. So we had to go to Tractor Supply to get some bolts for his seat, but we're getting sidetracked. I think we need like 12 of these guys. We'll raise them, and they're half off right now. So we got a vape, we got a sweet tea, and we got some bolts. About to give this thing a try. We're about to go home and put some bolts in.
So much bullshit. I can't.
You don't have like an angle grinder or a cutoff wheel or something?
Nah.
Alright, let's just go get a fucking... Not working. So we had to go back to the store to get some bolts. We're also going to go pick up a diff and some other interior parts from my buddy Joe. Because we just need some parts. And they're like 12 minutes away. So we're going to go grab those. And then we're going to hopefully get these seats back in so he can pass some tag. Alrighty, so we got the right bolt. It's dark right now. We made a pit stop.
Where's the other bucket?
We don't cuss on the fucking channel. All right, dude. that's the seats. It took way too long because we had to go get multiple different bolts, but the car's relatively cleaned out. We'll do the rest of this crap tomorrow.